Fully restored 1956 Chevrolet Beauville 9 Passenger Wagon 350 Ci Crate V 8 Automatic Power Options SC VIN VP56S133351. Offered here is an exceptionally rare and beautifully restored example of mid-century American family luxury. The 1956 Chevrolet Beauville 9 Passenger Wagon. This iconic full-size wagon has undergone a complete, no-expense-spared restoration, blending classic 1950s styling with modern mechanical upgrades to deliver outstanding drivability, comfort, and reliability. Wagons of this caliber are seldom seen, and even fewer are restored to this level of detail. Exterior, classic two-tone elegance. The exterior of this Beauville is finished in a stunning blue with white and chrome accents, a timeless color combination that perfectly complements the wagon's long, flowing lines and iconic 1950s design. The paint presents beautifully with a deep gloss, crisp edges, and smooth panel fitment throughout. Extensive chrome trim. One of the hallmarks of Chevrolet's golden era has been carefully restored or replaced, adding brilliance and visual depth from every angle. The wagon rides on stylish Crager wheels, which enhance its stance while still respecting its vintage character. Every exterior detail, from the brightwork to the glass and trim, reflects the high level of craftsmanship invested in this restoration. Whether parked at a car show or cruising along the coast, this Beauville commands attention and admiration. Powertrain, modern V8 performance with classic feel. Under the hood sits a GM 350 Ci Crate V8, a proven and reliable power plant known for smooth operation, strong torque, and ease of maintenance. The engine is equipped with an Edelbrock Four Barrel Carburetor, delivering crisp throttle response and classic V8 sound while maintaining dependable street manners. Power is transmitted through a Tow R44 speed automatic transmission, offering excellent gear ratios for both city driving and highway cruising. This modern overdrive transmission greatly enhances drivability compared to original era gearboxes. The drivetrain is completed by a GM open rear end with 3.73 to 1 gears, providing strong acceleration while remaining comfortable at speed. Additional mechanical upgrades include a California-style frame, an aftermarket transmission crossmember, and a dual exhaust system, all contributing to improved strength, performance, and sound. Chassis, steering, and braking. This Beauville is equipped with modern comfort and control features that make it a pleasure to drive. Power steering for effortless maneuverability. Power brakes for confident and reliable stopping. Black painted frame underneath, clean and show-ready. Carefully sorted suspension components for smooth cruising. These upgrades ensure that the wagon not only looks stunning, but drives confidently in modern traffic, making it suitable for long trips, family outings, or weekend cruising.